In this video, I want to show you how to use the hold button on your LUXPro thermostat. Okay, so here's the hold button right here, and this button is used to set a fixed temperature. Okay, so and this is going to override your program. Okay, so if you want to set a fixed temperature to override your schedules, all you want to do is to use the arrow up or down buttons to adjust your temperature and then hit the hold button. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Let's say we want to set for heat. Use the mode selector, push it up. Okay, and now use these buttons to adjust your temperature, and once you have your desired temperature, you want to hit the hold button. Okay, and now you can see hold on the screen. Okay, and as long as you can see this hold on your screen, your thermostat is going to maintain that temperature indefinitely. Okay, and if you want to get it off hold mode, hit the hold button. Okay, so it's off hold mode, and now your thermostat is back to your program. Okay, so that's it. You can use the hold button to override your temperature program and set a fixed temperature. Okay, so that's how it works. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.